Hello guys, welcome to Baby Automation YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a playlist about TIA Portal and SQL Server direct communication without using extra programs. This playlist videos contents are installing Microsoft SQL Server, setting up SQL Server settings and firewall configuration, creating example program on TIA Portal for S7 15 and S7 1200, and calling procedures on SQL Server with only using PLC. This is our first video and we are going to download SQL Server. We are going to make SQL Server IP configuration, creating user database and table on SQL Server, and Microsoft Firewall configuration. And now we need to first download the SSMS Studio. Download SSMS, and here is the microsoft.com, and here is the link. Download SQL Server Management Studio. Let's press it, save it. No, yeah, I download before. Let's start it. And we need information about from Siemens industry, and we need to write SQL communication with TIA portal. And here is a support.industry.siemens.com. We need to click it, and we have documentation and example program for TIA portal version 17. It works only 17. It doesn't work 16 and 15 because, and I try 18 and version 19. It work as well. And let's download the documentation. Okay, location. I don't want to change. Install it. Now we download the documentation, and we are going to use, and here is table of contents. We are going to use LSQL Microsoft function block, which created by Siemens themselves. We use this LSQL Microsoft block for communication. You can, I know you can only use one of this block in the main. Okay, we will talk about it second video. And I want to show you about these contents here. Useful information, fundamentals of SQL Server. Here is the download links and tabular data stream protocol and SQL setup information. I'm going to show that in this video. After the installation, I will come back. Now it's installed successfully. Let's close it, and SQL Server Configuration Manager. Okay, here is in this document it says what should we do, but we can start in here 3.2.3 port sharing in the SQL Server. Here is my SQL Server. Let's look at it like that. SQL services, which one is mine? Here. It comes with a default name WinCC Plus 2014. It's running automatic. Now let's, in here, SQL Server network connection. Open this. Protocols for WinCC. It's my SQL Server name, and here is TCP/IP. In here it says in the protocols enabled yes, and IP addresses IP3. It must be in here, IP3. Let's look at it. Yes, IP3. It's active, yes. It's enabled, yes. And IP address, what should we write? Let's look at it. What is my IP address? Siemens I'm going to use Siemens Virtual Ethernet adapter because PLC system advanced. And here is my IP address. Okay, we add it down in here. Let's continue. We need to open TCP port, but we can write all IP, all TCP port 1433. Must be 14. Yeah, it must be 1433. Yes. Okay. After that, you need to restart your service, SQL Server service, and restart. Okay, let's continue with SSMS. SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Let's check this again while we are waiting. IP3, it's my IP and port 1433. Okay, and we will open this manually and trust server certificate. Let's open it. After that, what should we do? It says you need to create new database. New database. I need to look the names because the sample project is the same names as here. SQL from PLC and okay. To create new table. Yeah, we need to add in the sample project. It sends 3 integers, 7, 8, 9. For example, in the in the SQL Server, in here we need to create these integers: integer 1, integer 2, and integer 3. And we need to change the data type to integer. Okay, let's save it. We need the PLC data 1. Okay. We need to open some logins. New login. First of all, we need to look the properties of the database. We need to check this SQL Server Microsoft Education mode. And after that, the connections, you need to allow remote connections to this server. Let's okay this. Okay. And security logins, new login, SQL Server authentication. Oh, we need to name SQL S7 115 password. Okay. In here we are going to log in here our username. You need to give this system admin, yok, database admin. I think. Let's look. DB creator. DB reader admin. Yes. Let's check all of that. Okay. Now we finish. No, not finished our SQL. We wf.msg. Okay. Now we need to create a new rule for the ports. It says TCP, yes, and 1433, yes, SQL 1433, and also new rule TCP UDP. We need to select UDP 1434. Next, SQL 1434, and also one new rule for SQL service. It must be custom and customize. Let's search SQL Server. Yes, here it's my SQL Server. Let's look at it again. WinCC Plus Me 2014. Where is it? I can't find it. Here. WinCC Plus 2014 SQL Server. Okay. Next. SQL service. No, we are done for our things. Let's connect again, and SQL Server authentication. Let's do it again with you. SQL S71500. Here is my password. Yes, trust this certificate. Connect it. Let's try the SQL table. Select. Yeah, it's working now. And the next video we are going to use TIA portal. We are going to make TIA portal configuration and communication. Let's say it's goodbye.